Here's a few seconds of the turning I'm going to complete in this video today. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. If you want to be notified when my next video comes out, then click the bell. I make a video about once a week. Okay, here is another piece of Pignut Hickory that I've made several things out of. This is the top over here, this is the bottom. I've got the woodworm screw attached. This is, I believe, that line there specifically reminds me of something that I had before, so I must have cut this off of that. Well, I've turned it around, and this is a Pignut Hickory, in case I haven't said already. I've put some OB shine juice on here, I guess that's what it's called. So in any case, I'm going to make a normal bowl. I'm going to try and make one thinner than I usually do. So I'll be trying to get this down to 1/2 inch maybe. Okay, here's another Pignut Hickory bowl. It was quick. I started it yesterday and finished it this morning. It's thinner walled than most of my stuff, but it's not super thin. I think it's a ½ inch. It gets a little thinner on the floor where the tenon was. So overall, and I've made several things out of this wood. I do like the way this bark looks. It has some very interesting texture along this edge here. So it's pretty cool.